Hey guys, I'm checking in here with some super exciting news. Our awesome design team here at ChatterBlast's is now making AR filters for Instagram. Now, if you don't know what an AR filter is, it stands for augmented reality. These are computer-generated effects designed to be superimposed on real-life images and videos. If you're on Instagram, you've probably seen them all over stories. For example, this, and this. Well, now we're kicking off the holiday week with a filter of our own, and we want to quickly show you how to use it. First, take out your smartphone and open the Instagram app. Next, go to your search bar and type in ChatterBlast. Select our profile. When you get to our page, tap these three little sparkle icons to get to our AR filters. Here, you'll see our holiday reindeer filter. Click on that to see the preview featuring our superstar designer, Kaylin, who threw this filter together. Down in the bottom left corner, select Try It. Make sure you're on selfie mode so you can see yourself with these fun holiday antlers and some snowfall. As a bonus, when you smile, your nose lights up like Rudolph. Now, simply snap a pic or hold down the record button to make a video. Then just post it like you would a regular Insta story. Make sure to tag ChatterBlast so we can share your post to our page. We're so excited to share this new service with you. Definitely give us a ring in the new year so we can make something this cool for you. And until then, we hope this holiday reindeer filter makes your Christmas week just a little more merry.